Stay Rubio Namaka children. Today we are going to discuss real numbers exercise 2.8. In this we are going to learn scientific notation. See the general form. Expressing a number n in the form of n equal to a into 10 power n, where a lies between 1 and 10. And n is an integer is called as scientific notations. Okay, it is in the form of a into 10 power n. The value lies between 1 and 10. Okay, you should include the 1, exclude the 10. Okay, the first step, if you want to convert into scientific notation, what are the steps you want to follow? You have to follow two steps. Okay, the first one, put the decimal after the first significant digit. After the first significant digit. Okay, and indicate, and second step, indicate how many places the decimal moved by the power of 10. The second step indicate how many places the decimal moved by the power of 10. Okay, these steps we need to follow. And then a positive power, suppose the power should be positive. Positive power of 10 indicates the decimal move to the left. The decimal move to the left. Okay, see the example 2600. Okay, after the first digit we should keep the decimal. Here first digit is 2. So 2.6 into except 2, remaining how many digits are there? It means after the decimal how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So 10 power 3. Okay. A negative power of 10. Negative power of 10 indicates the decimal moved to the right. The decimal moved to the right. Okay. See the example 0.02. Okay. The first significant digit is 2. Okay. So 2 into, see here, 1, 2. So 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2. Okay. See the exercise. First question. Represent the following numbers in the scientific notation. Okay. See here, we are going to write in the form of scientific notation. What is the general form, children? A into 10 power n. Okay. See that first digit here. This is the answer 5.6943. Except 0, you have to write whatever numbers will be there. You should write all the numbers except 0 into 10 to the power of, after the 5, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. What is the answer? 5.6943 into 10 power 11. Okay, children. See here, 2000.57. Okay, so 2.123. Okay, so 2. First you write the number 2.00057 into 10 power 3, because it moves 3 places. So 3. Okay. So the next one, here it starts from 0 point. So this is negative power. Okay. So 0 point. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we are going to keep. So 6 into 10 power. How many we said that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 power minus 7. Okay. The fourth one, it's also start from 0 point. So negative powers you want to put. Okay. So here see the first significant number 9. So 9 9.0000002 into 10 power, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 power minus 4. You understand, children? So the next one. Write the following numbers in decimal form. Here scientific notation is given. We are going to convert into decimal form. Okay. So first you see the powers. Power is positive powers. Positive powers means the decimal place will move to the left side. Okay. So first you keep it here 3 except numbers. Sorry, you should write except decimal, you write all the numbers 3, 4, 5, 9. Okay. Here power 6 is there. After the decimal already how many digits are there? Already 3 digits are there. So remaining 3 digit alone you have to put 0. Okay. So here 5.678. First whatever numbers are there you write it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here power 4. After the decimal how many digits are there? 3 digits. So 1 0 alone you should add. Because 5.68 here now you count it 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 power 4 you will get. Okay. After converting you check whether we did correct or wrong. Okay. And see here third one, the power is negative. So you have to start from 0 point. So 0 point. Here power is 5. Already 1 we included. So remaining 4 digits. So you add 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 5. Okay. See the next one. Here power is minus 7. So start from 0 point. Here let 1 digit is there. So remaining 6 zeros you put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 5, 3, 0, 0, 0, 9. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Represent the following numbers in scientific notation. Okay, so we are going to multiply these two numbers. First, you convert into scientific notation. Here, 3 into 10 power. After the 3, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 10 power 5, the whole square, into 2 into 10 power. After the 2, how many digits are there? 4. So, 10 power 4, whole power 4. Okay. Now, this power 2 is common for both. Okay. So, how can you write this? 3 square into 10 power 5 2s are 10. Because you know that a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. Okay. Into 2 power 4 into 10 power 4 4s are 16. You have to multiply, don't add. Okay. Now 3 square 9 into 10 power 10 into 2 power 4 16 into 10 power 16. And you know that one more exponent a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So base are same, powers are different. So what do you want to do? We have to add the power. Here what is given? 10 power 10 into 10 power 16. So what you will get? 10 power 10 plus 16. So 10 power 26. First you multiply this. 9 into 16 you get 144 into 10 power 26. Now the 144 you should convert into scientific notation. See here 144, how we are going to convert? 1.44 into 10 power. Here after the 1, 2 digits are there, 10 square. So how we are going to write? 1.44 into 10 square into 10 power 26. Okay. Now you write it 1.44 into 10 power. See here, base are same. Powers you should add 2 plus 26. What you will get? 28. So this is the answer. What is the answer? 1.44 into 10 power 28. Do you understand, children? First you convert into scientific notations, then apply the power 3 square into 10 power 10 into 2 power 4 into 10 power 16, then 3 square you will get 9, 2 power 4 16. Okay. After that you multiply these two numbers, you will get 144 and add the power what you are getting, 10 power 26, and again you convert into scientific notation. So 1.44 into 10 square into 10 power 26. Okay. Now you should add the power 1.44 into 10 power 28. You understand, children? See the next one. See here. See, first we need to multiply. This also we need to multiply. After that we have to divide. Okay. First we convert in scientific notation. Here 3 into 10 to the power. It starts from 0 point. So negative powers you want to put. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 5. Whole power 6 into 5 into 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5 whole power 4 divided by 9 into 1, 2, 3. So 10 power minus 3 whole power 3 into 5 into 10 power 1, 2. So minus 2 the whole square. Okay. Now apply the powers. 3 power 6 into 10 power 5 6 are 30. So minus 30 into 5 power 4 into 10 power 5 4s are 20 minus 20 divided by 9 cube into 10 power 3 3s are 9 minus 9 into 5 square into 10 power 2 2s are 4. So minus 4. Okay. Now see here, I am going to simplify this. You know very well 9 equal to 3 square. So here 9 cube is there. So how we are going to write? Instead of 9, I am going to write 3 square whole cube. So what you will get? 3 power 6. Okay. So 3 power 6 into 5 power 4 into 10 power. So you should add the power because base are same. So minus 30 minus 20 you get minus 50 divided by 9 cube. Instead of 9 cube, what I am going to write? 3 power 6. Because of the cancel, I am writing like this. Into 5 square into 10 power minus 9 minus 4 you will get minus 30. Now 3 power 6 cancel. 5 square here 4. 5 power 4 is there. So 5 power, you know that a power m by a power n equal to, you have to subtract the power. So 4 minus 2, what you will get? 2. So what is that? 5 square into 10 power minus 50. Okay. Here minus of minus 13. Here same base. So power you want to subtract. So subtract this. So minus 50 minus into minus plus 13. So what you will get? Minus 37. So minus 37. So 5 square, what is the answer? 25 into 10 power minus 37. Now you convert this. 25, how we are going to write? 2.5 into 10 power 1. Okay. Into 10 power minus 37. So now 2.5 into, add the power 1 plus of minus 37. So what you will get? 10 power minus 36. So this is the answer. You understand, children? We carefully want to do this very important sums. Okay? Do you have any doubt in this? Okay, children. See the next one. Represent the following informations in scientific notation. The world population is nearly this 7 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this one very larger numbers we can't able to read. So in these situations we are using scientific notation for reading that numbers. Okay. So why we are using the scientific notation? So larger numbers we are converting into smaller. It can be easy to read. Okay. So how we are going to convert, children? The first one. The world population is this one. So 7. This one we are going to convert into scientific notation. So how to convert this? 7 into, after that how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power of 9. Okay. So the world population is nearly 7 into 10 power 9. Okay. Next one. 1 light year means the distance. So this one we are going to convert into scientific notations. First you write 9.4605284. So after the 9, how many digits are there? Just you counted. After the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So what you will write? 10 power 15. Okay. Next. Third one. See this number start from 0 point. So the power should be negative. Here meter, sorry, before that kilometer is given. So you can put the unit also. Okay. And third one, start from 0 point. Okay. Kilogram is given. Okay. First you write it, see that numbers were here 9. So 9.10938822 into 10 power, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So minus 31 kilogram. Do you understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. Simplify 2.75 into 10 power 7 plus 1.23 into 10 power 8. So we are going to add these two. Okay. First you write it in the decimal form. Okay. So 2.75 into 10 power 7. how we are going to write 275. Here power is 7. Here already 2 digits are there. So remaining 5 digit alone you should add 0. Okay. Next 1.23 into 10 power 8. So how we are going to write? Here 1, 2, 3. Okay, here already 2 digits are there. So you should add 0. So 1, 2, 3. So 6 zeros you want to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 3 plus 7, 10. So 0 remaining 1, 5, 1. Okay. So now you should write the answer in scientific notation. See here, how we are going to write this? 1.505 into 10 power. Okay, see here after the 1, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 1.505 into 10 power 8. You understand, children? Okay. See the next one. Now 1.598 into 10 power 70 minus 4.58 into 10 power 50. Okay. First you find out the value. 1.598 into 10 power 17, you write it in the decimal form. Okay. So 1598. Okay. After the decimal, 3 digits are there. So subtract this 17 minus 3, you get 14. So 14 zeros you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Next one 4.58 into 10 power 50. Okay. So here after the decimal 2 digits are there. Subtract this 15 minus 2 we get 13. Okay. 13 zeros you want to put. Okay. So 4, 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. Now what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, till this you put 0. Okay. Here 0 minus 8 we can't subtract, so borrow 7, it becomes 10. 10 minus 8 2, 7 minus 5 2, 9 minus 4 5, 5, 1. So now we are going to give the answer in scientific notations. So 1.5522 into 10 power. Okay. After that one, how many digits are there? Count the digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 10 power 17. You understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. So 1.02 into 10 power 10 into, we are going to multiply only. 1.20 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. 1.02 into 10 power 10 into 1.20 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. So directly you can multiply. No need to convert into decimal form. Okay. So 1.02 into 1.2. Just except decimal, you can multiply this as it is. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2, 1, sorry, 1 into 2, 2, 0, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1. Here 1 decimal, that 2 decimals. So totally 3 decimals you want to keep. So what you are getting? 1.224 into 10 power. See the power base 8. So powers you want to add. 10 minus 3. What you will get? 7. So what is the answer? 1.224 into 10 power 7. Okay children? See the next one. So division. 8.41 into 10 power 4 divided by 4.3 into 10 power 5. Okay. So 8.41 into, I am going to split this 10 square into 10 square. 10 square into 10 square, what you will get? 10 power 4. Why I am splitting this? Because this decimal I am going to convert into whole number. Here how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places are there. So that I put a 10 square. Okay. Divided by here 4.3 into 10 power 1 into 10 power 4. Because 10 power 5 I split it 10 power 1 into 10 power 4. Because here 1 decimal is there. Okay. So that I am going to convert into whole numbers. So now you multiply this. If you multiply these two, what you will get? 841 into 10 square divided by here 4.3 into 10. You will get 43 into 10 power 4. Okay. Now you divide this 841 divided by 43. Okay. How many times it occurred, children? In 84, how many 43s are there? Do you know that? One time. Okay. 143. Subtract this. 1, 4. Next take it 1. Okay. 411. How many 43s are there? 9 times. 9 3s are 21. Sorry, 9 3s are 27. 7 remaining 2. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. While subtracting this, what you are getting? 11 minus 7, 4. 10 minus 8, 2. Just keep the decimal, add 0. 240. In 240, how many times it occurs? 5 times. 5 3s are 15, remaining 1. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Now subtract this, what you will get? 25. Now add 0, 250. How many times it occurs? 5 times. So 5 times 250. Now subtract this, what you will get? 35. Add 1 0. 350. How many times it occurs? 8 times. 8 3s are 24, 4 remaining 2. 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 2, 34. Now subtract this, what you will get? 6. Add 0, 60. How many times it occurs? 1 time. So 43. Now subtract this, what you will get? 70. So add 1 0, 170. Okay. So how many times it occurs? 170? 3 times. This is 1 only. Okay. 8, 1. Okay. Next in 170, 3 times. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Subtract this, 10 minus 9, 1, 6 minus 2, 4. Now add 1 0, 410. How many times it occur? 9 times. So 9 into 43, what you will get? 387. Now subtract this, what you will get? 10 minus 7, 3, 10 minus 8, 2, 23. Add 0, 230. How many times it occur? 5 times. Okay. So put it 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 remaining 1. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Okay. So what I will write here? 215. Okay. So subtract this, what you will get? 15. So it will goes on. You can start the divisions. Okay. Start this. Till that you can start it. So what you are getting? 19.5581395 into 10 power. See here, 10 power 2 divided by 10 power 4. So what you will get, children? A power m divided by a power, you want to subtract the power. So 10 power 2 minus 4, what you will get? 10 power minus 2. Now you convert this scientific notation, the decimal will move there. So 1.955811395 into 10 power 1, because 1 place only it moves, into 10 power minus 2. So now 1.955811395 into 10 power, here multiplication same base. So add the power, 1 minus 2 will get minus 1. So this is the answer. While dividing this, what you are getting? 1.955811395 into 10 power minus 1. You understand, children? Thank you, children.